Hi. In this rapid evolving digital world, staying still is the fastest way to fall behind. Think about it. The pace of change today is unlike anything we've seen before. And the truth is, the world isn't waiting for anyone. AI is transforming how we work, live, and think. Every sector of healthcare to finance to education is feeling the shift. But here's the hard truth. Jobs aren't vanishing, they're evolving. And that leads to a crucial question. Are you evolving with them? Because if your answer is, I'll think about it later, then let me tell you, later might already be too late. Let me share a quick story. A few years ago, data entry clerks were in demand everywhere. Today, automation has replaced most of those respective tasks. But here's what people don't realize. It didn't kill jobs, it created new ones. Job for AI data trainers, jobs for prompt engineers, jobs for analysts who can interpret automated outputs. Skills that mattered 5 years ago are outdated today. What matters now? Adaptability, digital fluency, AI awareness, and above all, the ability to learn, unlearn, and relearn faster than ever before. That's where upskilling becomes non-negotiable. You see, companies today are hiring differently. They are looking beyond degrees and designations. They want to know, what can you do? How quick can you adapt? How will you add value in the world run by AI and digital intelligence? This is the reality. It's not about the degree anymore. It's about your skill set. It's not about your years of experience. It's about your relevance today and tomorrow. And that's exactly what organizations like NASSCOM have stepped forward with initiatives to build India's future-ready workforce. At SFJ, we are proud to partner with NASSCOM to drive AI and digital upskilling across the country. Together, we are not training individuals. We are shaping a talent ecosystem aligned with global industrial standards. Ask yourself, if AI can do 30% of your tasks today, are you learning the remaining 70% that machines can't do? Are you growing in areas like strategic thinking, creativity, ethical AI usage, innovation, or data-driven decision making? To stay further ready, you must act today. Invest in yourself. Invest in learning new tools, mastering new technologies, and understanding how to work with AI and not against it. Because the future, it doesn't belong to those who are just prepared. It belongs to those who are preparing right now, every single day. Join us on this journey with NASSCOM and SFJ. Start today because tomorrow waits for no one. Thank you.